How are they gonna slot in the next crate?
Makes me feel funny just looking at it.
Yeah.
He said that they are looking at us. It's dangling. So it can see through? Oh, it's moving.
They've got these other weights on there to counterbalance everything.
Well, we could sit here all afternoon.
The crate is moving up. The gray one. It's going up slowly. Can you see?
Oh,
Yeah.
something moved then.
It's moving slowly up. The men are
Stopped
sitting
again.
down.
Stopped again, isn't it?
Mm.
But the platform where the man's sitting, that didn't move at the same time, did it?
No.
It moves
No.
a bit.
Oh, there it's going
Yeah.
now.
That's why they're sitting. See the...
It's going.
Well, they're all keeping very still, the guys.
Yeah, they're
Yes, that
sitting.
moved then.
Because it's moving up. You see, it's moving.
When we know
But cannot
when it's
see.
reached that red bar,
The red bars is moving up. See?
yeah. That, yeah. They're keeping very still as if it's going to move again.
Yeah, it's moving.
There it is. Did it move then?
Yeah, it's moving up.
Yes.
Slowly, a bit by bit. That's why they're sitting.
Still. It is moving, yeah.
Yeah. Can you see?
It is moving slowly, very slowly, but still moving. Oh yeah, that moved a bit quicker.
I can't see anything.
You can't see when it does move.
I can see. It moves bit by bit. It moved dots by dots.
To me,
Yeah, very serious.
I saw them preparing those.
Yeah, there are two more downstairs
Yeah.
to make it even higher. See?
Well, they're still keeping very still, the guys.
Yeah, because the thing is moving up.
Well, I'm sure I saw it just then move a fraction, an inch or so. I think
It moved, but slowly, very
Slowly, very
slowly, very slow. You see, because the bar of the next crate is already up
Yeah,
to the bottom. See,
yeah,
it's almost to the bottom to click inside.
yeah.
See, then now it roll inside. Do you know there's a pulley up there
Yeah,
in between?
yeah.
Oh, almost there. See?
And then you see this red section that's sticking out.
Yeah, that's the pulley to roll down.
Which one?
Well, outside of the
Yeah.
tower, there's a piece to the side.
So the bit in.
Yeah, so that when they get the next one to hold it, and it fits onto the other
I
stuff.
don't know how to do it.
See, it's almost level.
So
It's addictive.
True. That's why sometimes if I am in the laundry, I almost sit there until my hands turn dark because of the sun.
It's not every day.
It's almost there, Carol.
Has it got to where
Yeah,
is it?
now it's already level.
Oh yeah. Yes.
No, the man needs. Now it's stopped.
Disappointed himself last weekend. His days made a great sense of it last week, as I mentioned, and suddenly just struggled. So the pressure on these guys just being an extra 2 or 3 holes ahead, all the focus is on the leaders. A little bit of breeze at 6. Driver. Good. French players on tour.
It's still not there.
Yeah.
I think a bit more.
This time when we're talking, they've really gone up a lot.
Yeah.
You don't notice it every
You,
minute.
you don't notice, but slow, very slow, go up.